So our selection for this year's Prince Lat Hula Festival is actually to help celebrate our 35th anniversary of our Hālau. So we chose two songs, one Waikā, because I started the Hālau in Waimea, on the island of Hawaii. So we decided to do Waikā. And then the second song that we're also doing is called Pua Līlīlehua, which was a song written by Kahuanu Lake for his wife, Maiki Ayu Lake. And since Auntie Maiki is actually my Kumu Hula, I thought it'd be really nice to have the two together, the foundation of how the Hālau was built and then the Hālau, where it's from. So we picked those two particular songs. Choosing those two particular songs also have a lot of meaning behind it. You know, Waikā, just that one phrase, Kuaku la'oa ika malanai, strong are you in the winds of Malanai and keep upu'u. You know, that's the whole theme that we have in our Hālau, to stand up tall, to be proud of what we've done. And of course, the song Pua Līlīlehua encompasses all the traditions and the mannerisms of our Hālau that was passed on from generations before. You know, Kahuanu Lake wrote the particular song for his wife, and you know, at that time she didn't know it was written for her. She thought it was written just for the Hālau. And it was the whole idea of bringing the legends of Palolo Valley and bringing it a new life. That Līlīlehua reigned, that goddess of Palolo Valley, and the mo'o that courted her. You know, I'm really lucky this year also to have my hula brother Robert Cazimero singing for us. He graciously volunteered to help me, and I'm really grateful for that.